In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Afterpay to your Shopify store. Offering Afterpay as a payment option can help boost your sales by letting customers pay in installments. Let's get it set up. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, click on Settings, then select Payments. Under the Payment Providers section, look for Alternative Payment Methods and click Choose Alternative Payment. Search for Afterpay or ClearPay, it's called ClearPay in some regions, in the list, then click to add it. Next, you'll need your Afterpay merchant ID and secret key. If you don't have these, sign up for an Afterpay merchant account on their website and complete the onboarding process. Once you have your credentials, enter them into Shopify's setup form and save your settings. Afterpay will now appear as a payment option at checkout, allowing customers to pay in 4 interest-free installments. You can also add Afterpay messaging to your product pages using the Afterpay messaging app from the Shopify App Store. That's how you connect Afterpay to Shopify. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching. Or